Welcome to the Forge Tutorials Maya Masterclass. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to create and edit edge flows inside Maya. Now, when you're creating meshes or editing meshes, there might come a time when you wanna insert or create an edge flow that matches the curvature of your mesh. So let's see that in action. For that, I'm gonna create a torus. Let's reduce the subdivisions a little bit. Let's keep it to 8. And as you can see, all of these edges kind of follow the same curvature because it's a torus, and we can edit this edge flow if I select an edge and go to our edit mesh option and select the edit edge flow from here. You can see that this pop-up menu appears. In this menu, I can turn the edge flow on or off, and I can adjust the strength of the edge flow from this option right here. Now if I select this option and drag my middle mouse button in the viewport, you can see it's gonna adjust the edge flow. If I turn it to 0, you can see it's gonna flatten the whole thing, and if we turn it to 1, it's gonna follow the whole curvature. Right now we just saw how to edit the flow of an existing mesh. You can also insert a new edge and give it the edge flow as well. So let's go to our mesh tools and insert a new edge. And now that we have our edge selected, let's go to our edit mesh option and select the edit edge flow. And now you can see with the help of this pop-up menu, you can adjust the flow of this edge as well. So this was your edit edge flow option. This is really helpful when you want to insert a new edge in your object and you want it to follow the curvature of your object. For example, if you're creating a finger and you want to insert a new edge loop into it and you want it to follow the curvature of the finger, you don't want it to be flat on the surface, the edit edge flow tool is really helpful for that. So I'm going to end this video right here, and as always, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video.